Well, what do we have going on here? Oh my, we're working on the 1220 Bolens. So, anyway, we got a battery of her own in her finally, and we need to fasten it down. But I want to get this thing fired up because shortly I'm going to have to work on it for plow day, and I want to make sure that it's going to work all right. So let's do an old start, cold start. Where the hell did the key go? Oh, right there. I took it out. So let's crank this baby up. Oh. Little cranky. Charging. Right on. And of course we got the Sears. Oh yeah. Charging, and it also has a brand new battery. And click the light on. A tail light! Yay! Right on. We'll let this run for a little while. What is, oh, the chain. It's the chain under there. Yeah, we'll let it run for a little bit. Oh, so it is February 21st. Almost just a little over 2 months till plow day. And I'm ready to be there. Not actually ready, like all my shit's ready to go, because it's definitely not. But I just want to be there already. But since we're making a video real quick, we'll take a peek at Bob's friggin' 982 diesel swap, just because, yeah. Ooh, almost done. It will be done early next week. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Friggin' right. Awesome. Let's go have a look at the Cub Cadet. Whoops. Parts came in for the Cub Cadet, by the way. Let's go have a look. See? Man, I'm impressed with the freaking 1220 just fired up like that. That thing has not been running, oh my gosh, at least 6 months. So it's an old start, kind of cold start. You don't want to know. Yeah. Whoa, let's break the frickin' hood off. So we got clutch parts in here. Whoops, come on. New bearing, new teaser spring, new roll pins, new tensioner spring, and new clutch friction disc. Holy fuck. Could not spit that out. So yeah. Got those parts, and then just gotta yank the engine out. I'm gonna put a new belt on her, because it could use it, and when you have the engines out is the time to change it. Oh, that means I am gonna have to drain the coolant. Oh well. Yeah, I'd have to drain it anyway, because I gotta take the analog gauge probe out of it for the temperature. And change the clutch, change the belt, address a few things, and she'll be ready to go. Friggin' rates. Not my plow, by the way. I have one, but this piece here is all twisted up thanks to the previous owner. But anyway, it was free. Sweet. As far as the simplicity goes, it's gonna be my, it needs the most to make it to plow day. Well, kinda. I need to find or build a sleeve hitch for it, get tires for it, find another set of weights. And so if one of them doesn't make it, it's gonna be the simplicity, but I'm hoping that I'm gonna try to make it, or to get them to go. So once I get Bob's done, I'm gonna start right on the Cub. And I got 2 months. 2 months to have the tractors ready. The steers is gonna be easy. I just want to change the engine oil, put the weights on, clean the plow up, put it on, and grease it and look over it. But other than that, it's good. Could use a new belt, but okay, maybe we'll do that as well. The Bolens, there's a whole bunch I got to do to it, but we can have her done. Anyway, guys, hope you just enjoyed, or hope you enjoyed this quick little video there. Just a teaser, pretty much, and we'll be, what the hell? Hopefully be ready to go not too long from now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later.